Mastering the art of formal sentence structure in English writing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into an essential topic of English language learning: formal sentence structure. We all know English writing has different styles, and today we'll focus on how to construct sentences when writing in a formal style. So, let's get started. Formal English is often characterized by careful grammar, a more sophisticated vocabulary, and a more structured sentence construction. In essence, formal sentence structure tends to avoid contractions, slang, colloquialisms, and abbreviations. Instead, it leans towards complete sentences, proper punctuation, and a more formal vocabulary. Let's look at an example. Informal: can't wait to see you. Formal: I am looking forward to seeing you. In the formal sentence, you'll notice we've avoided contractions and used more sophisticated language. A typical formal sentence in English tends to have these elements: a subject, a verb, and an object, otherwise known as an SVO structure. For example, in the sentence, "The committee has approved the proposal," the committee is the subject, has approved is the verb, and the proposal is the object. Formal sentences also frequently use complex and compound sentences to demonstrate a more nuanced understanding of the subject matter. Punctuation plays a key role in formal sentence structure. Proper use of commas, colons, semicolons, and full stops can make your writing clearer and more professional. For example, using a semicolon in a formal sentence allows you to link two related ideas. The meeting was successful. We achieved all our objectives. Last but not least, a distinguishing feature of formal writing is the use of formal vocabulary. This generally means avoiding idiomatic phrases, slang, or colloquial expressions. It also means using more sophisticated words when possible. For instance, instead of saying help, you might use assist. Instead of get, you might use obtain. And that wraps up our exploration of formal sentence structure in English writing. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of how to structure your sentences when writing formally. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to put what you've learned today into practice. Keep refining your skills, and in no time, you'll be crafting perfect formal sentences. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!